Hi and welcome to Dharmi's lecture. Today we are going to discuss five kingdom classification. First of all, we shall see the basis of these five kingdom classification. There are mainly three basic principles on which the five kingdom classification stands. The first thing that differentiates one kingdom from other is the basis of their cellular organization or the types of cells that make them. On the basis of cellular organization, organisms are unicellular, multicellular, or colonial type. Prokaryotes and Protist kingdom contain unicellular protist or eukaryotic cell, whereas as we move from fungi to higher kingdom, the organisms are mainly multicellular. Then the next thing is how these organisms produce their food. On the basis of food production, organisms are either at autotroph or heterotroph. As I've explained earlier, autotrophic organisms are those that produce their own food and include all photosynthetic organisms, whereas heterotroph are those organisms that rely upon other organisms for food, either in case of plants or other animals. Another thing that differentiates one kingdom from another is the type of movement or locomotion that may be present in higher vertebrates such as mammals. Now we are going to see five kingdoms in detail. The first kingdom is called prokaryotic kingdom, or it is also known as Monera kingdom. The cells are usually unicellular and the organisms are prokaryotic type. Unicellular means their body is made up of one cell which performs all the activities. These organisms are simple and usually use active or passive transport to move substances in and out of cells. By prokaryotes, we refer to as those organisms that were formed a long time ago. The mode of nutrition in these organisms is absorptive or photosynthetic. Bacteria are absorptive; they take in substances from surroundings by means of simple diffusion. Some organisms, such as cyanobacteria, use substances such as phytobilins or other substances which take in sunlight to synthesize their own food. Flagella or a thread-like substance or thread-like tail is present on the body which help these organisms to propel further in the forward direction. These are the organs that help them in movement. If we talk about reproduction, so the reproduction in prokaryotes is mainly due to asexual type for reproduction. For example, bacteria, they are able to reproduce by means of binary fission, that is the splitting of organism into two. Example of this kingdom include bacteria, cyanobacteria, archaea, or blue-green algae. If we move further, the second kingdom is known as Protist or protozoan kingdom. The cell structure is again unicellular organism, but they are not prokaryotic. They are eukaryotic. That is, they have a better division of labor. In prokaryotic unicellular organism, the division of labor was primitive type. Here in protozoans, the division of labor has moved further.